Hi, in this video we are going to see the permanent assistant professor vacancies notification from one of the government college, and here it is a level 10 category. So the salary is starting salary is 57,700 rupees per month, and the selection will be based upon the direct recruitment, and you may apply from any state. And here the huge number of subjects are covered here, so please share this video to your friends or colleagues. It will be very much helpful to them in this pandemic situation. And if your subjects are not covered in this video, then please mention your requirement in the comment section of this video. If I got the recruitment notification which is matching up with your profile, then definitely I will come up in the next video. And to get my next video as an immediate notification to your mobile phones, you have to subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding this recruitment notification from the government college. Online personalized job consultancies by paying only 100 rupees as a registration fee, and fill up the Google form and the link I kept in the description box of this video. By this method, whatever the jobs you are looking for, those jobs we will search, and the job notifications will be directly sent to your registered mail ID. And one more note is that the candidates who are already registered for this one, you need to check your mail IDs regularly. Why? Because my team is sending the lot of recruitment notifications. Before going into the main content of this video, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, the educator of electronic science and the general paper 1. So the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the next cycle, here the new batch course is going to start from October 27th onwards. So it is a paper 1 and electronic science course, guys. The interested candidates may take the subscription plan. So here you may check down. So whatever the subscription plan you want to take, you may use my referral code, that is ASWINIK, to get 10% discount. Coming to the present content of the video, it is Central University of Kerala. So from this one here we got the recruitment notification. The notification of teaching post dated 25th October 2021, and here the notification is given. So click on this one and then you will be directed to this notification, guys. So here you may check down the complete details. Total 6 number of pages are there. So we will see the important details in this one. The date of commencement of online application 5th November 2021, and the last date of receipt of online application is 20th November 2021 evening 5 o'clock, and the receipt of hard copy of application is 31st December 2021. Okay, that means you have to apply through online as well as you have to send the hard copy also. And coming to the subjects here in the professor category, Commerce and International Business, English and Comparative Literature, Computer Science, Economics, Education, Genomic Science, Geology, Kannada, Linguistics, Management Studies and Mathematics, and Public Administration, Policy Studies, Public Health and Community Medicine, Social Work, Tourism Studies. And coming to the Associate Professor, Chemistry, Commerce and International Business, Computer Science, Environmental Science, Geology, Hindi and International Relations, Kannada, Law, Linguistics, Malayalam, Management, Plant Science, Public Administration, Public Health and Community Medicine, Tourism Studies, Social Work, Yoga Studies and Zoology. And coming to the Assistant Professor, Biochemistry and Molecular Biology, Physics, Computer Science and Yoga Studies, Education, English for UG, International Relations for UG, Management Studies, Commerce and International Business, Tourism Studies, and Kannada, Social Work. Okay, so total these are the different subjects, guys, and from all over the India you may apply from any state. Okay, well, because it is a central university, there is no restriction to only that particular state has to apply. And the total number of vacancies as per the professor 15, and associate 29 and assistant professor 27. So the total 71 number of vacancies are there. And as per the coming to the qualifications, you may know that as per the 2018 UGC regulations, that means for the assistant professor category, you must have the UGC NET in the particular discipline with 55% of marks. Apart from that, with that one, you must have the UGC NET or SLET or SET qualification must be there. And the 55% of marks in that one, the 5% relaxation is provided as per the caste category. And coming to the pay scales here, professor level 14 and associate professor level 13A and assistant professor level 10. So the entry pay is 57,700 rupees per month. And coming to the essential qualifications, as I already mentioned, and for the whatever the subjects UGC NET examination is not conducting, so for those subjects only PG is enough. Okay, and a few general terms and conditions are given here, so you may check down, guys. Okay, all these conditions, and I will provide this PDF link also in the description box of this video, as well as this website link also in the description box of this video. And whoever the candidates claiming the reservations, then you need to maintain this format only. Here the EWS, OBC and SC/ST formats are all mentioned here. So you have to maintain these formats, and the UGC regulations are also provided, guys. Okay. And coming to the remaining details. Okay. So as I told, that online application you need to do, as well as hard copy also you need to send. So the candidates are required to send the hard copy of application along with all the relevant certificates and other documents to the recruitment cell, Central University of Kerala, Tejaswini Hills, Periye, 320 for considering the candidate. And whatever the envelope you are sending, it has to superscribe with the online registration number. That means once you filled up the online application, then you will be provided with one online application number, guys. So that one, and the notification number and the post applied for. So all these things you have to mention very clearly on the envelope of the post. Okay. So these are all the details, guys. And if your subjects are not covered, then please mention your requirement in the comment section of this video. If I got the recruitment notification which is matching up with your profile, then definitely I will come up in the next video. To get my next video as immediate notification to your mobile phones, you have to subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And I'm requesting you to please share this video to your friends or colleagues, okay, who belongs to those subjects. It will be very much helpful to them in this pandemic situation. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET examination, here from Unacademy side one announcement follows. So if you're interested, you may continue this video, guys. Otherwise, you may stop this video by here itself. Thank you. Hi, myself I am Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator of Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course, including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay. And from each and every course, you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself I am Ashwini Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on the see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the, free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one, you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs, and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so